So when we talked about the unemployment rate from the 80s, 90s, early 2000s to today, I found that really, really interesting to kind of better understand what unemployment looks like in the state of Missouri, but also where our population is. So rural agriculture up north and down south, you see that the population really hasn't changed. No one's coming in or leaving. And so that leaves our job market kind of with the same group of people. So what can we do to better enhance our employees for the roles that they want?
MU Extension Workforce Training Summits are empowering employers and strengthening Missouri's workforce. Whether you're an ag business impacted by a shortage of skilled workers or an HR professional looking to enhance your training programs to address current workforce needs, these collaborative events bring together business leaders, educators, and community partners to explore workforce data, identify training needs, and create innovative solutions for regional sustainability and growth. By sharing insights and connecting with people, you can discover new opportunities at each summit to drive Missouri's workforce forward.
Oftentimes, we've lived in a world where somebody goes to, if they get a 4-year degree, they get a degree at 22 or 23 years old, and they go to work and they don't really set foot back in that institution as a place to continue to learn, except for if they want a master's degree or a PhD or some sort of higher education degree, and not for a regular location where they can improve their skills. And yet we know that the difference between when you're 22 and when you're 52 in terms of what the needs are, that the workforce is evolving and that you have to continually improve your skills. And so the Career Accelerator represents an example of how, through a partnership between industry and higher education, we can help people continue to improve their skills so that they are as relevant to their employer and as beneficial to their employer, and they know the latest tools and techniques when they're 53 years old as they did when they're 23.
The MU Extension Workforce Training Summit could be coming to a region near you soon. Join the conversation and help shape Missouri's workforce of tomorrow.